Hi, I'm Paul Sheridan. I'm the Director of Optus Satellite Services. Optus provides telecommunication services across the length and breadth of Australia and New Zealand via our 5 geostationary satellites. Via these satellites, Optus provides services to remote and rural Australia, primarily broadcast services, both pay TV and free-to-air, internet services via VSAT and also mobile phone services, so that we cut down the digital divide and provide services to the remote and rural population that are enjoyed daily by those in urban areas. We employ over 130 people and provide them an opportunity to work in the space industry in Australia. A perfect example is here at Optus. We're developing our next satellite, Optus 10, and we've taken 2 university graduates straight from uni into our business, and they're now working hands-on with the satellite manufacturer in North America. The space industry will be critical for the continued development of Australia, particularly in industries such as mining and agriculture. Not only for the distribution of telecommunication services, but also the fact that these industries will in the future use services such as GPS and the geo services. One of the key components in our success over the years has been innovation. And innovation, the primary driver for us is to create efficiencies. We have a finite resource in the satellites, and making them more efficient enables us to provide better services to the customers. The Australian space industry has to focus on niche opportunities, and it's innovation that'll drive opportunities in those niche environments to give us a future long term in this business. Collaboration is critical not only to Optus Satellite Services but also to the Australian space industry. One of the recent collaborations we've undertaken has been with the National Science Foundation. They operate McMurdo Sound on Antarctica. It's a major scientific site. We provide a link via our Optus D1 satellite that enables them to provide the hygiene services, television and internet services to the workers down there. But we also, importantly, provide a link back from there to America so they can deliver the outcomes of their scientific experiments in real time back to America. Our business here at Optus and the space industry in general relies heavily on engineering and science practices. So the skills in planning and engineering, putting the satellites together, testing them, launching them and flying them are key skills that this business cannot operate without. I was lucky enough when I was young to see Neil Armstrong walk on the moon. To me, that triggered something that I was keen to be involved in long term. When I finished high school, it was at the same time that the satellite industry started to develop in Australia with AusSat and the initial launching of our first satellites. For people out there who are looking to be involved in the space industry, I think there's ample opportunities. As Australia develops niches and works in collaboration with people across the globe,